Tips to avoid overeating during Thanksgiving and enjoy a healthy meal. 1. Thanksgiving doesn't have to mean weight gain or strict restraint. Focus on spending time with loved ones instead of food to avoid overeating. Practice mindful eating to enjoy the food without feeling uncomfortably full. 2. Have a protein-packed breakfast. Eating a protein-packed breakfast promotes satiety throughout the day. This reduces mindless snacking and leads to eating a smaller dinner. 3. Use smaller plates and choose red-colored plates. Using smaller plates helps to cut down on intake. Using red plates can help practice portion control effortlessly. 4. Choose a skinless turkey and spice up your meal. White or dark meat doesn't matter as long as it's skinless to avoid excess fat. Using spices like rosemary, thyme, ginger, and garlic aid in digestion and prevent bloating. 5. Make healthier alternatives for mashed potatoes, stuffing, and gravy. Replace butter with vegetable oil in mashed potatoes. Use grain millet instead of processed white bread for stuffing. Enjoy vegetables like green beans, Brussels sprouts, and glazed carrots. 6. Don't miss the dessert and drink smart. Have a slice of pumpkin pie or berry pie for antioxidants and phytonutrients. Avoid excess calories by avoiding excess alcohol. Stick to 1 or 2 shots and avoid munching. 7. Quick tips. Divide your plate into 3 sections. Half for veggies, 1/4 for protein, and 1/4 for carbs. Fill half of your plate with vegetables before reaching for turkey and mashed potatoes. Use skinless meat to avoid excess fat. Be mindful of the food you eat and avoid distractions during meals. Eat slowly and savor your Thanksgiving meal to prevent overeating. Have a slice of pumpkin pie without toppings.